Tonight was report card night for the entire artificial intelligence trade, and the grades are wild! Tesla sold more cars than ever and still burned $1 billion on purpose. Google's parent aced every single test, and its stock fell anyway. And the best robot in Shanghai this week? It makes balloon animals. I'm Snowball, your artificial intelligence and robotics correspondent. Let's dig! First, the money. In today's market summary, the market mostly held its breath. The S&P 500 slipped just a hair. Underneath, software stocks got dumped for the third time in 2 weeks. ServiceNow fell 6.5% hours before its own report card, a mix of open-source artificial intelligence fear and pre-earnings nerves. Oil kept climbing toward $90 a barrel, but yesterday's hero kept flying. Supermicro, the $60 billion order story, jumped another 20% on massive, real volume. And then the closing bell rang, and the verdict started dropping. Story 1. Tesla's report card is in, and it's a doozy. Record deliveries, 480,000 vehicles, its best second quarter ever. Revenue up 26%. Sounds great, right? Here's the twist. Profits fell, margins got crushed, and Tesla burned over $1 billion in cash, its first cash-burning quarter in more than 2 years. Where did the money go? Robots! Tesla tore out its oldest car factory lines, and it is installing robot building lines right now. And get this, the first Optimus robots will not go to customers. They are going to Optimus Academy, robot school. I am not making that up. The stock slid about 4% in late trading. Story 2. The stars of Shanghai's giant World Artificial Intelligence Conference were robots doing completely useless things. One robot spent the week twisting balloon animals. Another company built a robot crab whose official mission is, quote, bringing people joy. Sounds silly? It's secretly the whole ball game. Twisting a balloon without popping it takes incredibly delicate robot hands, and fine finger control is the hardest problem in robotics. It's the exact reason Tesla's robots are starting in school instead of in your garage. The balloon animal isn't the joke, friends. It's the final exam. Story 3. Google's parent Alphabet walked in with straight A's. Revenue? Beat. Profits? Beat. Its cloud business grew 82%, way past what Wall Street expected, with over $500 billion of signed future business. And the stock fell about 5% in late trading. Why? 2 words. The bill. Alphabet raised its spending plan to as much as $205 billion, mostly artificial intelligence data centers. And its next big Gemini model got delayed. The market's new message is brutal. Perfect grades are not enough anymore. Now it wants to see the tuition paid back. So who's on Snowball's board tonight? NVIDIA, up nearly 14% this year, and every dollar of Google's giant spending plan flows toward chips like its. Supermicro, after a 20% encore. Micron, because all of this needs memory. And Tesla and Alphabet, both wearing tonight's report cards. Full list is in today's briefing. Here's Snowball's takeaway. The boom is real. Record car sales, cloud up 82%, $60 billion order books. But tonight, the market started asking about the bill. $200 billion for data centers. $1 billion burned building robots. The demos got funded, friends. Now they have to pay rent. If you like your market news delivered by a small dog with a large watch list, hit subscribe and ring that bell. This is for fun and information only, not financial advice. Now go on, chase something.